guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with an informative video in which I will tell you about how to earn money from NFT art. So NFT means non-fungible tokens. I mean non-fungible token. If you say NFT, it means non-fungible token, and if you say NFTs, it means non-fungible tokens. And the difference is as NFTs or NFT. So this video is going to be very informative. Don't skip this video and watch it till the end. Let's start the video without wasting your time. Before starting the video, I request you to like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. So here is the video: how to make money with NFTs, 6 passive and active ways. Can you really make money from NFTs? So NFTs, get your NFTs here. After the digital art sector exploded in 2021 due to a slew of incredibly inexpensive NFT sales, there are now more people than ever interested in making money from NFTs, and who could blame them? However, many investors are hesitant to take the plunge due to blockchain's complexity and the steep learning curve involved with obtaining a deeper understanding of NFTs. Furthermore, because of NFTs inescapable in ties to the cryptocurrency world, most people associate the NFTs with scams and get rich quick schemes, and do not believe they have any legitimate use cases. That, however, is not the case. As it turns out, there are numerous methods to make money from NFTs as long as you are prepared to invest your time and or money and do the research. In many cases, the method you should pursue will largely depend on your previous experience, skill set, and the amount of time you can dedicate. On that note, we have compiled a list of some of the best active and passive ways to make money using NFTs. So let's get started. Table of content is active ways to earn money with NFTs: minting and selling your own NFTs, trading play to earn P2E games, passive ways to earn money with NFTs: staking, rent out your NFTs royalty. So guys, this is my video in which I told you about briefly what are NFTs and how we can earn money from NFTs. I hope you liked my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. See you soon in the next video.